Hi everyone, my name is Sakile and I'm from Genesis Block Africa, and welcome to the beautiful premium houses in Quinnington. So as we walk through, you see the beautiful entrance hall that leads you straight through the guest toilet with a standalone sink, very spacious and accommodating. As we continue on, we go into a beautiful open plan space that combines a dining room, a lounge, and of course, a beautiful kitchen. So as you walk in, the first thing you notice is the beautiful lighting that's here, as well as natural lighting that comes into the building as well. As you continue to walk into the kitchen, you notice the beautiful polished concrete countertops that are there in here, with a lovely sink as well as burglar bars to protect you as well as the beautiful extractor hood when you're cooking and having your guests over. Flowing seamlessly from the open plan, we go into the first bedroom that has a Jack and Jill setup. So we have a shared bathroom and shower, and you're easily welcomed into the next room for the safety of your children. So you'll notice that the bedrooms all have fitted cupboards. As we continue on, we go into the beautiful master bedroom. This beautiful house has a wonderful walk-in closet, very spacious and built-in closets as well. As you continue on, you come into an ensuite bathroom that has your tub, double sinks, as well as your shower and your toilet. So the master bedroom has an open plan as well that leads you straight into the beautiful outdoors with your swimming pool that is fully heated, as well as your fire pit. There's also an entertainment area for when you want to have your friends over. Very spacious, accommodating, and welcoming. This modern townhouse has a beautiful backyard as well as a 5,000-litre tank that accommodates all your water needs. So, if you're looking for a premium modern style house, get in contact with us now.